Let's switch in English now from strategic reflection, from logistic innovation, how to build a success story. Let's see that with my two experts. And my guest for this talk, Melanie Gnouf.
Hi, how are you doing?
Very good. Yourself?
Yes, fine.
Okay, I'm very happy to welcome you here. Today you are from Orange Business Services. Jerker Dambro, hi, how are you doing, Jerker?
Hello, I'm fine, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you so much. You are the Managing Director of Glow. So, Jerker, my first question is, of course, for you. I would like you to explain us, what is Glow?
Glow is a delivery platform that we have developed within the Posten Norway group. We operate under the Bring brand. You might recognize our green logo and our green trucks, even in France, because we have some international operation as well. So basically, we are a logistics group. So we have a wide range of logistics services where we have air freight and international freight, bringing goods into the Nordics, where we deliver parcels, part loads, basically anything you can deliver. And for some of those services, we use Glow as the delivery platform. And we use Glow mainly for our home delivery services and our same-day services. So it's used both for deliveries to businesses, but also to consumers. And we have developed Glow as a standalone system, which has different components that can be used or not used by some business areas. So, for example, some business areas within our group use only Glow, and that's their complete transport management system. While for other business areas, they use Glow as a platform only for the last mile of the delivery, the final trip from the terminal to the consumer. So that's why we're here today, because the same way that Glow has been able to add value to the Posten Norway group, we strongly believe that we can find partners all around Europe that are searching for a system like Glow, and we're happy to offer it.
Dear Melanie, how did you start working with Glow on this project?
So, as Jerker told you, Bring wanted to explore the potential of the market outside the group to external customers. So the story began 1 year ago with a visit by Bring at Orange Innovation Garden. We spoke about co-innovation and sales acceleration capabilities. Then Bring entrusted us against some main company competitors to develop its software as a service model across Europe. Then we conducted a mission with 3 phases. The first one is the market study analysis to explore the potential of the market across 16 countries. The second one consists into a competitive benchmark analysis.
Okay.
And last but not least, we built an organizational model in order to conquer new markets thanks to customer success management and integration services.
Dear Jerker, why did you choose Orange? Why working with Orange?
We like their kind of hands-on approach to business consulting. We like their international network, which has really helped them in this market study that they performed on all the European countries. And we have just a great cooperation during this whole project with Melanie and her team. So yeah, it's a great project for us.
Melanie, what did you learn from this collaboration? So
there are 3 main lessons learned from this mission. The first one is pragmatism. In our operational recommendation, we at Orange Consulting don't provide only strategic thinking, but also directly an operational implementation of our recommendation. The second one is that the fact that our own client portfolio could be a pool of prospects for Glow, for sure. And last but not least, the third one is the proof that there is a market potential, a huge market opportunity for Glow in conquering new markets.
Jaka, what logistic market trends are driving the need for platforms like Glow?
I would say that e-commerce is the main driver here. If we go back a couple of decades before e-commerce, every logistics flow was based on a business-to-business thinking, which means that we deliver during normal office hours. And when e-commerce started to grow, the first generation of home deliveries were made during daytime. So we could show up with your home delivery anytime between 9 and 5 during the day when most people are at work. So you had to basically get a leave from your work to receive a delivery. And of course, that was a huge obstacle in the growth of e-commerce. So we started to develop more customer-friendly services directly aimed at consumers. And we were joined by many others in the business, of course, with being able to deliver on evenings and on weekends when people are actually home, and also narrowing the time window. We can't have people sitting at home for 8 hours waiting for a delivery, so we narrowed that down to a much smaller time frame. But consumer demands and e-commerce just keeps growing. So to keep up with demands for sustainability, for flexibility, we need something else besides that kind of service development. And with the technology we have available today in Glow and platforms like that, we can create a much better customer experience for the user here. It all starts with a smart route optimization algorithm, which route plans our deliveries. So that means that we don't use more vehicles than necessary, that we don't drive longer distances than necessary, and we can also use that information to communicate with the recipient. So if we have estimated an arrival time at your house for your delivery at 8 o'clock, we can say that to you in our recipient interface, and you can follow the delivery on the way. So if there's a traffic jam, you will get noticed, and we will you will at least get a heads up that something is happening to your delivery, and you can follow the driver all along the way, so that you can plan your evening and don't have to sit home waiting for this delivery that can show up like any time, because it's not like that anymore. So this has been a huge change for us. And also regarding the sustainability part, since everything is connected within the system, the vehicle database, the database of all the vehicles that perform deliveries is connected to the recipient view. So whenever we deliver with an electrical vehicle or some other vehicle without emissions, we can tell that to the recipient and involve them in our sustainability work.
Melanie, it's a great partnership as we have learned it from Jaka. What's next for you now?
So the story doesn't stop here, but will continue in the near future. During March, we'll start a new mission consisting of helping Glow to be launched on the European market, thanks to sales acceleration, lead generation, and business development capabilities.
Jaka, any last words for you?
Yeah, it's been a great journey so far, implementing Glow within our group. And we really look forward to finding partners in Europe that wants to try this out and see if Glow is a great fit for them. So, yeah, looking forward to the next step here.
So, finger crossed, and congratulations for all the work that you already did. It's amazing. Really, congratulations.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, Jaka, for your presence today, and thank you so much, Melanie.
Thank you.
I will see you in a bit for another talk. Thank you so much for watching.